Ciao beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Happy Friday. Hope you guys are having a fabulous week and ready for the cracking weekend. Today, this is your freebie. Yes, you are very welcome. No, it's one of my favorite, I must admit. It's a beautiful background full of flowers and pink butterflies. Now you can use this as an entirety, or you can cut it into, you know, different pieces, or you can either fussy cut the butterflies. Completely up to you. This page here has been designed from my number 2 bestsellers. The number 1 is the blue butterflies, the number 2 is the pink, pretty in pink digital paper. So these are available on my website, and all the links will be down below. So this kit here, it's been designed to make everything that you need to make a journal, a pink journal. So you've got pages with the pockets, you've got square pockets and side pockets. You've got a page with this embellishment. I've done loads of videos already on my channel, making project with these ephemera. A page when I have used the background, merged them into one page, so you can cut them and use this section to create greetings cards or vintage cards or etc. You got one page full of leaves and flowers that you can put together and create like flowers, paper flowers arrangement. A page with butterflies that you can cut and use them as you wish. Got different size and different colors. Another page with the butterflies. Again, you just chop it. Oh, I printed this twice, I don't know why, and I printed that twice. Then you got another background, just this one, love it. I printed this twice. And then you got another background here full of, don't know if you can see, it's like French ephemera on the background, which I done in pink. I layered with some flowers, and then on top of it I just put some more butterflies, because yeah, more is more. Another page with the leaves, and another I printed this twice, I don't know why. What is missing here though, I don't know why I haven't printed, is those 3 background. No, sorry, that's that I showed you. You get those 2 background. Now this one here is this one here. Okay, so today's freebie has been designed from the large version of this, which you get in the kit. But for some reason, I probably used it. That's probably why I'm not printed it. So it's this one here. But of course, you will get full page like that. But yeah, it's in the kit. So anyway, so I use that, and then I'm layers some butterflies on top. Okay, as usual, guys, 2 ways to get my freebie. Way number 1 is to join my newsletter. My newsletter is an email, and I will put it here on the screen on the left hand side. I send out every Friday at 9 p.m. British time. There is a video recap of the week, papers of the week. There is always a cheeky discount code or a little offer for you to enjoy. It's just a very nice email for chit chat, sometime twice a week. So just look out. And way number 2, because by the time you watch this video, the newsletter has already gone out to everybody, so you won't be able to receive this freebie. But when you join, you will be able to receive next week and the following weeks, etc. So if you want today's freebie, and there is about 300 freebies I have shared on my channel in the last couple of years. It's all put together on my Facebook group, and again, I've put on the screen. My Facebook group is an interactive community where myself and other creators and other crafters shares the project, freebies, ideas, videos, etc. So it's a very interactive platform where you can see all my freebies in date order. Okay, so once you join in, you click on files, and you'll be able to download everything that is in there in date order. So it's a kind of archive where you can go and help yourself and download everything that is in there. I'm going to go. If you wish to purchase the pretty in pink best-selling digital papers of mine, is linked on the bottom just here in the info box to take you straight to my website. Guys, big thumbs up if you like this video. It really supports with my journey here on YouTube, because every time you guys put a little cheeky thumbs up, you tell YouTube that you like what I make. and really support my journey on the social media. Have a wonderful weekend, whatever you guys doing, and wish you all well, and I'll see you on Monday. Mwah. Bye.